Hey guys, so a couple of months ago a friend of mine asked me to make them a moon hair fork that they saw on Pinterest. I didn't know how to even start, but this is how I went ahead and made these. Okay, let's hope we can make one of those moon hair clip things out of this piece of wood, or this piece. Probably not this piece, very unlikely this piece. Yeah, I got these two pieces of the jacaranda that I just cut. I'm just going to try and flatten them, and then I can start doing the cutouts with the jigsaw. We're going to need these. Okay, so I'm done. I have two boards now from that. This one is 1 centimeter thick. I don't actually know how thick this one is. 18 millimeters. Okay, so what I've gone and done is I've just drawn circles using an old yogurt tub lid, and then I've taken another smaller circle. This is an old tape roll, and just drawn that moon shape on. I did that 4 times. This is the 1 centimeter board and the 18 mm board. And I try and cut them out, and hopefully they come out perfectly. All 4 are done. Now I just need to hand sand and varnish. So the first coat has dried, and now I'm just going to sand them down using 1000 grit sandpaper and give them a second coat. I'm going to attempt just dipping these directly into the can. Okay, I just made this little cradle to keep them nicely balanced. Turns out they're too light. I'm gonna have to push it in. Now I'm gonna hang it up just like that. Okay, now I'll just leave them there for 24 to 48 hours and come back and give them another sand. Okay, so that's it. I hope that was helpful. If you liked it, please leave a like, consider subscribing and ring the bell. It means a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one.